Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to choose which folders appear on the Start menu on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and select Settings. Select Personalization on the left side, and then on the right side, go down and select Start. Where it says folders, these folders appear on Start next to the power button. Go ahead and click inside of here, and then you can customize which folders appear. So let's say I want to turn on File Explorer. I'll go ahead and click on that, and then we open up the Start menu. You should see a little File Explorer icon appear next to it. So again, pretty neat little feature there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.